Hi everyone, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I will show you how to check your device name on 7 of my M300 dash cam. So there's two things that you need to have without a dash cam. So the one is a mini USB cable, as you see right now, plugged into your charger. And the second one is a phone with 7 of my application installed in. So click into 7 of my application. Then there will be a guide guiding you how to connect with your dash cam. Then go into the top right of your corner, the three dots as you see, and you just have to scroll down till you see the about section. Then the first tab is device name. As you can see, there's your dash cam name, and that's basically it for the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next one.